Rasta man chant down Babylon walls, fire burning bright, see the future calls. No man can stop us, we rise and we fall, then rise again, higher standing up tall. Fire circle chanted loud and strong, rhythm of jam music where we all belong. One love, one heart, singing our song. Chant of the fire circle all night long. Wisdom from elders, ancient and true. Open your mind, let the light shine through. Spirit of freedom, me and you. Jah path we walking, fresh and new. Oh, fire circle chanted loud and strong. Rhythm of your music where we all belong. One love, one heart, singing our song. Chant of the fire circle all night long. Oh, from the roots we grow strong and bold. Stories of triumph forever told. No fear, no doubt, pure as gold. Our destiny unfold. Oh, fire circle chanted loud and strong. Rhythm of Jah music where we all belong. One love, one heart, singing our song. Chant of the fire circle all night long. Yo! Firelight flick up on the night breeze. Ancient chant rise up from the tall trees. The rhythm of the earth, it'll never cease. A whisper of Jah, bringing hearts to ease. Oh, firelight, make we chant, make we pray. Oh, firelight, guide we soul upon the way. Day in the darkness, day in the fight. Jah wisdom come through the firelight. Them say the road rough, but me still I go try. With me heart firm and me trust in Jah God. The Babylon wall can't hold me back. The truth it plays like a lion attack. Me say, rise up youth, the journey long. Hold the faith, your spirit strong, yeah, yeah. Oh, firelight, make we chant, make we pray. Oh, firelight, guide hot like coal. Purify my mind, sanctify my soul. Oh, firelight, make we chant, make we pray. Oh, firelight, guide we soul on the way. Day in the darkness, day in the fight, shall wisdom come through the firelight. Sunrise are creeping over the hill. Another day blessing, a new power thrill. Master G watching every seed we plant, with open hands and a warrior chant. Nah afraid, nah worry, nah shed a tear. Lion heart a beating, banishing fear. Harvest of the lion heart, from dusty ground a brand new start. Every struggle, every scar, shining bright like a morning star. Harvest of the lion heart, tearing down the walls, ripping them apart. Whoa, Babylon system try to hold us down, but roots strong deep in this fertile ground. Them say you can't, but we say we will. Climbing every mountain, conquering every hill. No time for weakness, no time for regret. Only forward movement we not forget. Harvest of the lion heart, from dusty ground a brand new start. Every struggle, every scar, shining bright like a morning star. Harvest of the lion heart, tearing down the walls or ripping them apart. Flowing like a river wide. Open your eyes, see through deep inside. Fire blaze that in our soul, making us whole, making us bold. Harvest of the lion heart, from dusty ground a brand new start. Every struggle, every scar, shining bright like a morning star. Harvest of the lion heart, tearing down the walls, ripping them apart. Whoa, yeah. The sky is grey, it dark, it low. This year rain, it start to flow. Wash the dirty from the street, cool the air, sweet, sweet, sweet. Jah rain, it fall, it bless the land. A holy water in Jah hand. Oh, oh, the rain, it fall. Heaven's teardrops answer the call. Wash away the sorrow, the pain, make the spirit rise again. Holy ground, it feel the pour. Open up spiritual door. Hear the thunder way up high. Every drop of wisdom wide. Life a cycle pure and true. Sun must shine after the dew. Feel the power in the breeze. Bring the weary soul to ease. Oh, oh, the rain it fall. Heaven's teardrops answer the call. Wash away the sorrow, the pain, make the spirit rise again. Holy ground, it feel the pour. Open up spiritual door. From the mountain to the sea, every living thing agree. This a blessing, this a sign. Jah love forever, truly divine. No fuss, no fight, just unity. Under the rain for all to see. Oh, oh, the rain it fall. Heaven's teardrops answer the call. Wash away the sorrow, the pain. Make the spirit rise again. Holy ground, it feel the pour. Open up spiritual door.
Them dig the soil, them take the aisle. What them left a belly full of riches, but a spirit at them. Them can't feel the pulse, the heartbeat slow. Can't hear the whispers in the wind where blow. Mama Earth, remember, she not forget every step where we take, every date we set. Mama Earth, remember, she keep the score, every seed where we plant, every heart we sow. Yeah. The rivers them murky, the skies them gray. Them take the brighter, the sun turn night one day. But the drum still beat, the roots still grow underneath the concrete. Life still flow. Who we think we fooling, the ground can't lie. Every scar where we cut, she multiply. Mama Earth, remember, she not forget every step where we take, every date we set. Mama Earth, remember, she keep the score, every seed where we plant, every heart we sow.
One drum beat for the heart of the land. One sound echo through the mountain and sand. Them say we scatter but we roots still strong. One love make we rise, make we stand. One drum, one people, one destiny. The rhythm carry we, set we spirit free. One drum, one people, unity we plead. Together we rise, like the waves of the sea. Together we rise, like the waves of the sea. Babylon try to divide, but them can't conquer. The fire now we soul, it blaze like thunder. From the hills to the streets we voice our wonder. We chant the truth, make the wicked them ponder. Who we be? We be Jaja pick me. We nah bow, nah break, nah giving swiftly. One drum, one people, one destiny. The rhythm carry we, set we spirit free. One drum, one people, unity we plead. Together we rise, like the waves of the sea. Together we rise, like the waves of the sea. Take up the drum, make the ancestors smile. Them wisdom travel for mile upon miles. The heartbeat of Jah creation, no denial. The earth and the sky, them sing we survive.
Feel the earth call me name. Barefoot on the soil, me and the roots the same. Me can't run from a past, it cling tight like shame. Them whisper through the breeze, fire still ablaze. Roots in every footstep, them can't erase. Roots in every heartbeat, the drum it touches. Roots in every journey, leave the trace. Roots are we anchor, now shift the base. Them tell me if we climb high, but me say dig deep. Can't build no mountain if the foundation weak. The ancestors them guide me, them spirit not sleep. The rhythm of the roots make me soul a leap. Oh, me say, look to the ground. The ancestors them born, wisdom it sound. Roots in every footstep, them can't erase. Roots in every heartbeat, the drum it touches. Roots in every journey, leave the trace. Roots are we anchor, now shift the base. Them say cut the tree, but the roots still grow. Truth can't hide it, they on the flow. The land remember everything you sow. From seed to fruit, me say you reap what you know.
Concrete jungle loud sounds, Babylon walls them fall down. We rise up, we are rebel heart strong. Spirit of warrior, it carry on. Shepherd are walking at the long shadows, guiding the flock from the false heroes. Roots them deep, we say the truth it expose. Jah light it shine everywhere we go. Every step of meditation, deep thought. Nobody fret what the system brought. Open your third eye, see what them sought. Freedom is priceless, it can't be bought. Shepherd are walking at the long shadows, guiding the flock from the false heroes. Roots them deep, we say the truth it expose. Jah light it shine everywhere we go. From creation morn to the sunset low, in the silence the wisdom grow. Plant the seed of hope, watch it truly flow. Love is the answer, don't you know? Shepherd are walking at the long shadows, guiding the flock from the false heroes. Roots them deep, we say the truth it expose. Jah light it shine everywhere we go.
nationwide. Truth in the wind, no place fi hide. Keep a voice, it a guide me soul. Fire burn hot, but the heart stay old. Them say, who you be? What you know? Me say, walk the light, let the spirit grow. I'm the voice of the keeper, now fade away. Speak truth, speak life, guide me every day. I'm the voice of the keeper, now make me stray. Hold firm, hold strong, me can't go astray. Like a mountain climb, but me find my peace in the ancient rhyme. Wisdom chant it a heal my mind. The keeper say, seek and you shall find. Me ears open wide, me heart beat steady. For the voice of the keeper, me always ready. Righteous road me a trot so heavy, but the strength of Jah make me arms feel heavy. The voice of the keeper, it now fade away. Speak truth, speak life, guide me every day. The voice of the keeper, it now make me stray. Hold firm, hold strong, me can't go astray.
Rasta dream. Sunshine cut through the mist, make the river gleam. I feel it now my soul, deeper than my skin. Jah breeze a whisper, say this where life begin. Jah's breath on my shoulder, guide me still, carry me across the mountain, make me climb the hill. Every step me take, me know I say Jah I will. Jah's breath on my shoulder, Jah's love I feel. Oh na 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 na, oh na na na, yeah na 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 na. Them Babylon walls can't hold me soul. Them chains them make a brittle, Jah make me whole. Roots dig deep, at the earth on my throne. With Jah wine on my back, me never walk alone. I say, why fear the storm when Jah blow the breeze? My heart beats steady like the ancient trees. Jah's breath on my shoulder, guide me still, carry me across the mountain, make me climb the hill. Every step me take, me know I say Jah I will. Jah's breath on my shoulder, Jah's love I feel. Oh da 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 da, oh da da da, yeah da 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 da. I said, who can stop the ocean? Who can change the breeze? The spirit rise higher than the tallest tree. My mind set free, like a lion in the wild. Jah's voice calls soft,